Today we are presenting beautiful kurtis at factory sale, and this is video number 1. In this video you are going to see all the kurtis at 550 rupees plus shipping. The first kurti that I am showing is beautiful peach color kurti. It's a south cotton kurti with thread embroidery in the yoke part. Beautiful thread embroidery, and here is the sleeves look. Sizes will be available in S, M, L, XL and XXL. Here is the second kurti. It's a cotton kurti with ikat yoke part. It's a combination of black and red ikat cloth, and we have tassels attached. This is the sleeves look. Next kurti is beautiful cotton kurti again with yoke part embroidery in the yoke part. It's a beautiful thread embroidery. Here is the sleeves look. All sizes will be available, and the cost of this kurtis is 550 plus shipping. And the next kurti is silk printed kurti. In the front part you can see beautiful print, digital print. Here is the sleeves look with a printed patch attached. Next kurti is again cotton kurti. It's a light green color kurti with embroidery in the yoke part. This is the sleeve look. Here is the next kurti. It's again a cotton kurti with a beautiful embroidery in the yoke part. We have buttons attached. Buttons cannot be opened. This is the sleeves look. Here we go with the next kurti. It's a beautiful printed kurti, cotton kurti it is. You can see all over flower bunches print, and you can see buttons which are attached to it, and it has a Chinese collar. This is the sleeves look. Next kurti is beautiful black cotton kurti, and it has beautiful embroidery in the yoke part. Buttons are attached. It is with the Chinese collar. This is the sleeves look. All sizes will be available in these kurtis, and the price will be ranging 550 plus shipping. This is the last kurti in this range. It's a silk kurti with beautiful embroidery in the yoke part, contrast thread embroidery. This is the sleeves part. All the kurtis will be 550 plus shipping. Hi everyone, this is video number 2. In this video we are going to show kurtis ranging from 650 plus shipping. This is the first kurti. It's a beautiful silk kurti. It's a raw silk kurti, and it has beautiful design in the yoke part. It's all over thread embroidery, a very beautifully designed embroidery. And here is the sleeves look. Price of these kurtis is 650 plus shipping. All sizes will be available. Second kurti is beautiful south cotton ikat kurti. It has all over buttons. Buttons cannot be opened, and it has a front slit. This is the sleeves look. Next kurti is again cotton kurti. It has embroidery in the yoke part. It's a combination of white and black thread embroidery along with the mirror work. This is the sleeves look. Next kurti is again a cotton kurti. The cotton is very soft, and it has print all over the kurti, and it has beautiful small little peacock hangings all over the kurti, and it has front slit. This is the sleeves look. For the sleeves also you can see this peacock hanging. Next kurti is again cotton kurti. It's a dual shaded cloth, and it has beautiful floral embroidery in the yoke part. This is the sleeves look. In the sleeves also you can see this beautiful embroidery. All sizes will be available for these kurtis, and the price of these kurtis will be 650 plus shipping. Hi everyone, This is video number 3. In this video, we are going to show pure cotton ikat printed kurtis, and the price of these kurtis will be 700 plus shipping. The first kurti in my hand is beautiful red color kurti, ikat printed all over the kurti along with the buttons, attached buttons, and it has collar, Chinese collar, and this is the sleeves look. All sizes will be available. Next beautiful kurti is black and white ikat printed kurti. It has contrast white. It's single ikat. It's all over weaving. It's not printed and it is weaving. It's a single ikat weaving and it has buttons and front slit. This is the sleeves look. Next kurti is beautiful peach pink. In this kurti also you can see contrast ikat weaving, single ikat weaving, and it has buttons, Chinese collar, and this is the sleeves look, and it has attached pocket. All the kurtis will be 700 plus shipping and all sizes will be available. Hi everyone, this is video number 3 continuation. In this video also we are going to show pure cotton ikat kurtis, and the price of these kurtis will be 700 plus shipping. The first kurti in my hand is beautiful ash color kurti with contrast ikat weaving, single ikat weaving along with the buttons attached. It has front and side slits and the sleeves look will be like this. It has a button attached. All sizes will be available. And the next kurti is, this is also ikat kurti. It's a beautiful blue color and it has contrast ikat weaving. It has buttons attached along with the front and side slit. This is the view of the sleeves. And the next cotton kurti is Varli printed kurti. It has beautiful Varli print and buttons attached. It has Chinese collar and the sleeves look will be like this. All sizes will be available and the price of these kurtis will be 700 plus shipping.